But there, here we are again. Last week, an honourable draw. My Spuds, your bird,
yes,
which was absolutely superb. I see you got the England top and you got the New Zealand top.
Yeah.
What is the competition today?
You can either wear an England shirt and cook a New Zealand dish, or you can wear a New Zealand shirt and cook an English dish.
Hang on.
You're gonna go away and think about it.
I'll go and have a little look. It's a little bit tight.
I knew it! I absolutely knew it. I knew you wouldn't put that England shirt on.
What did you expect?
Wow.
What did you expect? Right, when I stretch you, what are we cooking then?
Go on, guess away. I think you should see if you can guess what we're gonna do.
Fish and chips by the seaside. Ooh, waving the gulls away.
Nope. Shall I give you a clue?
Yeah, go on then.
Okay, let's see if you can guess from the ingredients that I've got here. Isn't it?
Ooh, chicken kebabs.
Nope.
Ooh, what's that?
Have a smell.
Oh, we're cooking a curry.
We are, and what do you think it's going to be? If we're thinking of an English traditional dish?
Chicken tikka masala.
It's got to be a chicken tikka
Got to be
masala.
chicken tikka masala.
How about we make a pillow of bread to go with it?
I know, no, I have never ever made bread because I've got warm hands.
Oh, you need warm hands for bread making.
Do you?
Pastry making, you need the cold hands.
You learn something new
Every
every
day.
day.
Right,
then.
let's get cooking the chicken curry then.
Keep your fingers out the way, innit?
Yeah.
Right now. You sort of cut that round there. That's nice already, isn't it?
Peppers in. So that's some chicken tikka masala paste. You can obviously make your own. And so if you want to pop the lid on, then Scott, we can just let it simmer away for a bit. Okay, so Scott, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our chicken breast.
Yep.
Once that's been in for a few minutes, we're going to add in our tomatoes and our water, and we finally got some tomato paste and mango chutney. And that's when we just leave it to do all the magic and fuse all those flavours into the chicken and tenderise it as we leave it cooking.
Lovely.
So let's get the chicken in.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Right, so let's have the tomatoes now.
Okay.
There you go, give it a quick stir, Scott. Let's get that lid on and let's leave it just to tick away whilst we make the bread.
Lovely.
Lovely. So you've never made bread before then?
I've never made bread before. What's that?
Yogurt.
Yogurt in bread?
Yeah, you don't put it in all types of breads, but some breads you can, and particularly with an naan bread, it's awesome. Gives it a really nice kind of flavour, sour note, brings it all through, makes it nice and soft. Right, so we've got some strong bread flour. We've got some yogurt, butter, warm water, to make sure it helps the yeast rise. So of course we've got yeast. The yeast needs food, so we've got sugar, a little bit of a raising agent, and of course some flavouring of some cumin seeds.
Right.
We've got our mix, and this is what makes making bread so much easier. It saves all that hard work of kneading. What I need you to do, Scott, is to put in all the dry ingredients. Strong bread flour, bit of sugar. So we mix it up a little bit. I'm going to stop it now it's mixed, and then what I want you to do is I want you to put in the butter, so the yoghurt.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. And then we'll mix it on a slow speed again, but now start to slowly pour in that water for me.
Okay.
And then we're just going to cover it with some cling film, put it in the warming drawer, and that's just going to allow it to prove a little bit quicker than if it was left on the side. So should we go and check on this dough?
Let's go and check.
Well, what we're looking for is this dough should have doubled in size.
It's alive!
It's alive and doubled in size.
How does that work?
All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of flour on the
amazing,
top.
isn't it?
It's lovely, isn't it? So do you want to take it out of the bowl, Scott?
Yep.
But it's lovely at the same time.
Oh, what's that stuff you used to have when you were a kid?
Play-Doh. Okay. This is nothing not messy about this. Right, so you want to
So get it in nice.
use the heel of your hand.
Turn it.
Right,
turn
that's
it.
probably
right.
enough, right? And what I want you to do is literally, this is another way of kneading,
Right.
is I want you to take the dough,
Yep.
and I want you to literally
Whoa.
slap it,
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
and then pick
whoa,
up the
whoa.
other
What?
side and slap it down. And
Hey,
that's stretching.
have you had anger management?
Go on, go for
This
it.
is what they do in anger management. Not that I know what they do in anger management. Oh my God. Oh,
How satisfying.
where has this been all my life? Amazing.
I'm going to get hit by a backhand.
You got to get into it.
That's it. Good shot.
Try it yourself. It's fantastic.
I don't think I could live up to what you've just done there.
Well, we've had the anger management.
So I think we're going to go for one big naan. What do you reckon?
Yeah,
So you could
oh,
cut
yeah.
this into slightly smaller ones if you wanted to.
Okay.
Jeez.
If I done something wrong, my nan would chase me.
You were never naughty.
Nope. No, never.
Watch that middle bit 'cause it's really thin.
It looks like something out of those Scream movies.
and then straight on
Straight on.
the stone. Right, that'll do nicely. Look at that, looks lovely. Nice and glossy finish to that now, so it's not far away. Look at that.
Now that
Handmade by Scott Quinnell.
is a naan bread.
So a little drizzle of olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yeah. Look at that. Perfect. Look at it. You've got it nailed. Brilliant. So now to serve the curry with our naan. Oh, wow. And what's the best way to finish off a curry?
Bit of
So,
coriander.
bit of coriander on the top. Lovely. And I think we're about ready to taste some of
can't
your
wait.
awesome naan with this classic English tikka masala.
Look at that.
Over to you.
Oh,
But I am going to join you
Oh,
because
you
it
can.
looks pretty good to me.
It does.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
Oh, that is really tasty.
Do you know what? You can come again.
I tell you what, that is really, really good. And you don't have to go outside your house, do you?
Nope. Pure, fresh ingredients. All done. Do you know what? Today's been epic, Scott. I've loved it.
It's been fantastic. Absolutely brilliant.
Let's pick next week's one.
Oh, right, okay. Outside. I'm going to go outside. And it's
Italy!
Italia! Yes, Italy. Who are they playing? Australia.
Yep.
So we've got Italy, Australia. So, what do we do next
I
week?
don't know. I'm getting my thinking cap on
You
right
don't know.
now. I'm good on Italian food.
I love red wine.